Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got a news for you, and it's also a gist. Bola Tinubu is in town, is in ancient city of Oyo, live and direct. Yes, for the 8th-day fidel prayer of the late Alaafin of Oyo, Obalamidi Olayiwola Adeyemi III. So he was in town for the 8th-day fidel prayer, and you need to see how the people of Oyo town, how they embrace him, how they welcome him. He was so, in fact, they were so excited to see him. They were just shouting Jagaba. I don't know if that is a sort of campaign. I don't know, but you need to see how people welcome him. He was welcomed with love, with their hands stretched out with love. Yes, that's how they welcome him, and they were just shouting, chorusing his name, Jagaba, Jagaba, Jagaba. You need to watch the video and see what I'm talking about.